Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of character building Scooby-Doo, and I'm not sure what year I bought this. As you can see, this is the collector guide of all the micro figures that you get of Scooby-Doo, and you also get these play sets. And characters I have is Velma Dinkley, Scooby-Doo, Shaggy Rogers, Daphne Blake, and also of the lagoon creatures, Zombie, Redbeard, Man Crab, and the Voodoo Man. And this would make a nice addition to your Lego city if you want the Scooby-Doo theme in your Lego city. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.